Fleet Mode is a tool within the Uber Freight app that empowers carriers with multiple trucks to manage their operations with ease. Email us at fleetmode@uber.com to get set up with Fleet Mode access and add your drivers to your account. As a dispatcher on the Uber Freight app, you'll have an additional section to manage your drivers. Here, you can see a full list of your drivers and their details, Uber Freight loads, and availability. While searching for a load, you'll experience the same look and feel as the regular Uber Freight app with additional information on your driver's availability. When you book a load, you'll see all available drivers in your account. Select your chosen driver and then assign them the load. After assigning the load, the driver will be notified and the load will be booked. Your driver has 30 minutes to reject the load in the app and let you know if they can't complete it. They can check out the details and rates and respond accordingly. The app will remind them when they have 5 minutes left to book the load. You'll receive notifications if a driver accepts or rejects your assignment. There are plenty of options for actions to coordinate your fleet. Scheduling conflicts? No problem. Reassign your drivers when necessary. With Uber Freight app's Fleet Mode, you have full visibility and control to coordinate your fleet.